Lionel Messi was born on June 24, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. He began playing football at a very young age, and his talent was immediately evident. At the age of 8, Messi was diagnosed with growth hormone deficiency, a condition that would have limited his growth and athletic potential. However, Messi's family was determined to help him overcome this obstacle, and they moved to Spain so that he could receive treatment at FC Barcelona's youth academy. Messi quickly rose through the ranks at Barcelona, and he made his first team debut at the age of 17. He quickly established himself as one of the most talented players in the world, and he helped Barcelona win numerous trophies, including La Liga, the Copa del Rey, and the UEFA Champions League. Messi also won the Ballon d'Or award, which is given to the best player in the world, a record 7 times. In addition to his success at the club level, Messi has also been a key player for the Argentina national team. He has helped Argentina win the Copa America and the FIFA World Cup. Messi is widely regarded as one of the greatest footballers of all time, and he is known for his dribbling, passing, and goal-scoring ability. Here is a more detailed story of Messi's rise to stardom. At the age of 13, Messi and his family moved to Barcelona, Spain, so that he could receive treatment for his growth hormone deficiency. Barcelona agreed to pay for Messi's treatment, and he joined the club's youth academy. Messi quickly rose through the ranks of the academy, and he made his debut for the first team in 2003 at the age of 16. Messi had a breakout season in 2006-07 when he scored 37 goals in all competitions. He helped Barcelona win La Liga and the Copa del Rey that season, and he was named the FIFA World Player of the Year. Messi continued to improve in the following seasons, and he led Barcelona to a treble in 2009, winning La Liga, the Copa del Rey, and the UEFA Champions League. Messi won his first Ballon d'Or award in 2009, and he went on to win the award 6 more times in the next 7 years. He is the only player in history to win the Ballon d'Or award 8 times. Messi has broken numerous individual records during his career. He is the all-time leading goalscorer for Barcelona and for the Argentina national team. He is also the all-time leading goalscorer in La Liga and in the UEFA Champions League. Messi has also been a role model for young players around the world. He is known for his humility and his dedication to the game. He is also a philanthropist, and he has established the Leo Messi Foundation to help children in need. Messi is a true legend of the game, and he is considered to be one of the greatest footballers of all time. He is an inspiration to millions of people around the world, and his story is a testament to the power of hard work and determination. Lionel Messi's victory in the 2022 FIFA World Cup was a culmination of his lifelong dream. Messi had come close to winning the World Cup on several occasions, but he had always fallen short. In 2022, he finally led Argentina to the promised land, defeating France in the final on penalties after the match was drawn 3-3 after extra time. Messi's performance in the 2022 World Cup was simply incredible. He scored 7 goals and provided 5 assists, leading Argentina to an unbeaten record throughout the tournament. He was named the player of the tournament, and he was also awarded the Golden Boot as the top goal scorer. Messi's victory in the World Cup was a special moment for Argentina, who had not won the tournament since 1986. It was also a special moment for Messi himself, who had finally achieved his lifelong dream. Here is a more detailed account of Messi's journey to winning the World Cup in 2022. Argentina began the tournament with a shock defeat to Saudi Arabia, but they quickly recovered and won their next 2 matches to qualify for the knockout rounds. In the round of 16, Argentina faced Mexico, and Messi scored a stunning goal to lead his team to a 2-0 victory. In the quarterfinals, Argentina faced England, and Messi again scored a crucial goal to help his team win 2-1. In the semifinals, Argentina faced Croatia, and Messi scored 2 goals to lead his team to a comfortable 3-0 victory. In the final, Argentina faced France, the reigning World Cup champions. The match was a close and exciting affair, and it was drawn 3-3 after extra time. Argentina went on to win the penalty shootout 4-2, and Messi finally won the World Cup. Messi's victory in the World Cup was a special moment for both himself and for Argentina. It was a culmination of his lifelong dream, and it was a fitting end to a brilliant career.